guys. I'm kind of freaked out. Okay, so like 2 weeks ago, this was like here. Now all of this is happening in my apartment. It's just in my hallway. Like, this is what my hallway. I'm asking for anybody who has construction. Okay, so this is my little hallway, like my bathroom and my bedroom. And it is on this wall here. So it's just this corner, which I don't know, is that cosmetic? Is it just like the plaster? Or is that like a structural thing? Let me show you the other side. I don't see like, and then yeah, it's starting on this side. What the fuck is happening? It's freaking me out. You see all of these high rises collapsing. I'm on the bottom floor. Wait, what is that? There's like all these cracks. There's also one in my bedroom. Hold on, you're walking with me. Wow, my coat's dusty. It's been up there since fall, but do you see that one starting? Should I be worried? Can I just replaster this and be fine? Help me! I should know this. I'm a family member of the Oop brothers, but I really didn't do, like, you know, structural stuff. Is this a load-bearing wall that's collapsing? I don't see any other cracks anywhere else. It's just in a couple spots. But I've been in this apartment, honestly, like 3 years. So is that like normal wear and tear? Am I freaking out for nothing? Is this something that they probably patched and is now collapsing? Help me! I'm scared!